We'd like to welcome you to the Longview family with your purchase of the new improved Longview Towing Mirror. This is the installation video for the Longview 1600 series towing mirror. Today we are installing this mirror on a 2011 Chevy Silverado. With the help of our assistant Peggy, we're going to show you just how easy it is to install this mirror. Out of the box, you're going to have the mirror, the adapter, the hook, 2 screw knobs, a mounting bracket, and a self-adhesive felt strip. Install the felt strip to the top of the mounting bracket as shown here. Next, you're going to insert the adapter through the hole of the mirror through the back side. Next, you're going to slide the mounting bracket with the top hole facing forward over the adapter, then loosely fit the screw knob. Next, you're going to slide the hook through the front hole of the mounting bracket, then loosely fit the next screw knob. Now, we just slide the Longview mirror over your OEM mirror, and attach the hook to the front side of the mirror. Tighten down the screw knobs, just like that.